Call home to this charming, freshly painted townhouse in Montrose Gardens today. 5810 118th Avenue in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. This home is spacious and has plenty to offer. It is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath with a full basement townhouse located 10 minutes from downtown and 5 minutes from an LRT and right across the street from a bus station. It has a gas fireplace in the corner. It is tree surrounded and was built in 2008. Priced very well, it is a quiet, well-managed 8-unit complex. And this home has a main floor which has a great open floor plan, large windows, and also a big patio. Moving on upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms that are both used as primary suites. It's ideal for a rental property or an investment property, as both bedrooms has a complete ensuite. One has a bathtub, and the second one has a shower. So it is a 3-piece ensuite instead of a 4. But they are massive bedrooms, and they have ample closet space. One bedroom has laminate flooring and the other has carpet for a cozier feel. There is a detached heated single car garage that has lots of extra storage space and an additional driveway for people to park in the rear alley. Moving on downstairs, it is partially finished and it could have a bathroom installed. The laundry is in the basement. It has large windows and laminate flooring as well. The lovely space has cherry trees in the spring. The condominium fees or strata fees do include full landscaping and snow removal, as well as insurance on the complex and all exterior maintenance. The patios are bright and airy, and it gives a nice walk-up feel when you go into the courtyard space. Move on up to this place close to downtown. This is a must-see for any investor or people just moving into the market. For this property or properties like this, click on my link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Karen Stanko with Remax. Make this yours today.